Celpip Reading Task 3. Can we use keywords to find the answer, or how can we use keywords to find the paragraph in which the statement is there? So on the screen you can see the reading task 3. On the left side we can see 4 paragraphs which is named A, B, C and D, and then there is E. And on the left side you can see 9 statements. We have to match between the statement and paragraphs. So the easiest way is read one paragraph, go from 1 to 9 statements and see if it is taken from that paragraph. And here is where we have a doubt if we can use keywords to match, because you can find some similar words and in some statements you cannot find some keywords. So how to do this? Common doubt here is, can we use keywords and find the answers? So we can use keywords to find which paragraph it is being taken from. Sometimes, but not always. Look at an example. Local have passed down traditional stories about volcanoes through ages. So if you check the paragraph, you cannot find any keyword similar to this in any paragraph. But if you check the first paragraph, the last sentence, that is starting from life on the earth, you can see a word enduring myths, which is meaning the same as traditional stories. So that is how the words have been paraphrased. So keywords doesn't really help you to find the answer, because you have to understand the meaning and see if the idea is conveyed. Through the ages, it is being rephrased as generation to generation. This is how rephrasing is done in Celpip examination reading task 3. So read and understand the idea. And most often keywords are given just to mislead you. So when you find a keyword, make it extra sure that it means the same before marking the answer. So let's see another example. Celebrations in Amitabh have diverse historical origin. So if you search for a keyword here, you will not be able to find it. But in the end of the paragraph, you can see similar idea being conveyed. Even so, the locals incorporated many of their traditional customs and beliefs into Christianity, currently celebrate more religious folk and festivals than any other. So this is the way it is being rephrased. So the idea here is mentioning about the celebrations in the place which is having many diverse historical origin. So that is being explained in a different way in the paragraph. So we have to match the idea and not match the words. The keywords can be used in a way to identify which paragraph the statement is taken from, but not arrive at an answer. Let's see another example. Many inhabitants live on the north side of the island. So this is a very important example. So you can see in the paragraph that it is being explained about a place. And when you go forward, you can see the word northern half. So this is the way you can hook a sentence to a paragraph. North. Okay, so this could be from this paragraph. But again, see if the idea of many inhabitants live on north is not mentioned in the paragraph, you cannot say it is from paragraph B. Sometimes the idea given in the sentence is scattered in different sentences. So here we can say that it is mentioned about the northern part. Going forward, you can see it is being mentioning about the place again. And then you can see a sentence. Here one also finds the island's 2 most populated villages. So what does this mean? In the north, there are 2 most populated villages. So that is what it is being mentioned in the 8th statement. Many inhabitants live on the north side. The most populated villages are in the northern half of the island. So that makes sense, right? So this is the way you have to arrive at answers. So here is another example where you can find the paraphrasing and how well it is done in Celpip Task 3. Let's look at the second statement. Art produced by Amitabh's past culture also draws visitors. So if you go for finding the keyword art, you will not be able to find. So when you look at the last paragraph, you can see thousands of rock carvings and stone statues. So this is something related to art. So it is the first form of art, rock carvings. So we have to understand and come at a conclusion. Now another example to show how the keywords can be misleading. The 7th statement, which is mentioning pirate invaders built new settlements in Ultra Gracia. So when you read the paragraph, you will see the word pirate, invaders, settlement. Seeing the word similar in the statement 7 will compel you to mark it as the answer. But here the idea is extremely different. So mostly when you find many keywords similar in the sentence and in the paragraph, it can be misleading. So when you find one or more keywords in the statement and paragraph, Carefully analyze it and arrive at an answer. Just have an understanding that if there is a statement taken from a paragraph, they rephrase every word. Traditional stories, enduring myths, and generation to generation ages. So, we have seen enough examples where keywords are misleading and how paraphrasing is done. The most importance is for the idea and not for the keywords which you find similar in the paragraph and in the statement. So the takeaway is never ever go for answers saying a similar keyword. Have an understanding of the idea, then go for the answer. Good luck to you. Keep waiting for videos with more tips and tricks. Thank you.